Turn left on Holland Road.
Oh yeah, you love attention. Yeah, you love pets. Oh, yeah, I know you love pets. You love pets. Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you love attention. Yeah, you love attention. Morning guys, it's September 21st, 2020. This one here I got a call from a lady. I have worked on this old boiler before. She says the circulator's not running. And I have oiled it, and I think that there was issues with it. Needed oil last time I was there, and I put oil in it and got it going for her. But it's an old B&G or an old Taco, and it's one of the old pancake oil-fired boilers she's got there. And called me this morning that the circulator's kind of circulator's spittering and sputtering and don't want to run, so we might have to give it the old switcheroo. We're on our way down there now. I have worked for this lady before. I think I have drained her expansion tank out and changed the relief valve on one video and worked on a circulator. Another video. I think she was complaining about it making noise or squealing. That's what it was. It was a flipping squealer. Squealing every so often. And it was a circulator. It would run for a while, then it would start squealing. So from what she says, it's going to need to be replaced, but I got to check the voltage, make sure it's getting voltage, and I don't take people's word for things. I like to double check everything. Oh, they say when you assume.
Turn left on I-195 West.
When you take somebody's word for that's the problem, sometimes you get yourself in trouble. We don't want to do that. Smalley's got a sweater on. It's cool this morning. It was 38 last night. I was getting a little nipply. Getting a little nipply last night. Well, anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's not spinning. Oh yeah, looks like it's a bound up coupler. Probably just changed the whole circulator. This is a high and a low limit on this thing. It's a new control. Yeah, it's a bad circulator. I gotta check the power, but most likely. Yeah, the coupler's wanting to spin, but it's not spinning. Hey boy. It's dry as a bone. It's been leaking out, see it? She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. We changed this last time I was here, this feeder. Yeah, so we're gonna have to change. It's spinning, it winds up, but the other part's not spinning. Well, we're gonna change the circulator. Yeah, she's bound up. Wow, I can't even move it. Yeah, can't even move it. Yeah, the motor's already getting hot, so that's a problem. I'm gonna change the circulator. I'm gonna change it for sure. That's what it is. I'm gonna get another circulator and change it. So I got the feeder off here. And I got the hose hooked up to it. I'll drain the boiler down. Go on to a pit over there. And I'll get my tools and we'll take this circulator apart and change it. So I'm going to put a 0015 in there. Three-speed. bitch. It's all soaking wet. It's done. Need a new circulator. Needs a new one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grange. Might get some water out of it, I'm not sure. We'll find out when we do it. Ain't no big deal down here. Actually draining the expansion tank down at the same time is not a bad idea. This arrow wants to go like that. See the difference? A little bit of a difference. Somebody's a yapper. Somebody's a yapper. Alright, so this is on the return, so the arrow is facing down, right? That's what we want. Look at the gaskets in there. Need some light on the subject now. Need some light on the subject. We'll have to go up and bleed all the radiators later. Take out a 0010 like that. Sometimes you can go back with a 007, but these 0015s are 3-speed. It's a 3-speed unit on the side here. They're pretty nice. Shut the drain off. Don't drain no more out now. Meantime, we can start filling. A little better for me, works better for me. Take off this flipping mask, holy shit. I don't know how people wear them all day, I just can't. I can't wear it. Can't wear it all day. Drive me flipping batty. It goes to white. That's white. And then yellow to yellow. I did turn the feeder back on. I might have to bleed it upstairs. Back on. This is a 3-speed motor. This does have a low limit. It's at 160, the low limit, and the high limit's at 180. Alright, so we got a new circulator. Now what is here? My other stuff I did last time I was here. I did put a part in the circulator beginning of the year. Motor right side up. The motor was upside down last time. We oiled the circulator and it ran for a while. The motor was upside down. I don't know if you guys remember that, but the other one. So we put another 0015 in there. We got it on medium speed. Just waiting for it to come up to speed and start working. I might have to go bleed the radiators upstairs. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet about the radiators upstairs. I think if I remember right, she said that she knows how to bleed them. We'll have to check that. We'll wait for it to start coming back on the return warm. Just drained it all down so it's full of cold water. It'll take a little while to come up to speed. This is not dripping, so we're good there. We're tankless. Comes out this side and it goes in this side, and that's strange. Goes on this side and comes out. So it's an old Wild McLean. Replace circulator. I was here before and I did replace a circulator motor coupling, and I did change the other circulator. It was upside down so you couldn't oil the motor. And I think I did a burner cleaning, changed it, drained the expansion tank, no relief valve, rewired motor, new oil burner motor that was making all kinds of noise. I'm getting all foggy down here. Again? Yeah, you're gonna go around and bleed the radiators, right?
Oh, you want me to do that now?
Yeah, why don't you? Because it's coming back warm. Why don't you go around and bleed it? Once the water comes out, shut it off. She knows how to bleed the radiators. She's gonna do it herself, so it's starting to come back warm. We did drain it down, you know, some of the air went into the tank, but some of it's going to go up in the radiators, cast iron radiators up there. She's going to go ahead and do that. We had a successful repair here. New circulator. I'll get her a bill. Get her a bill.